Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you Canva templates, how to sell in 2025, step-by-step beginner's guide. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually sell a Canva template on any platform. So guys, your first step would be to actually open up your browser. Go ahead and open up your browser and log on to canva.com. So now, in order to sell off of Canva, you're going to need an account on Canva. So go ahead and simply sign up for Canva. And once you've signed up for Canva, it should look something like this. So now it says here, what will you design today? We have your designs, we have templates, and we have Canva AI. So I'm going to be covering all the ways you can get, a template to be sold using Canva. All right, so your first step besides having an account is head to the home section at the top left. It's underneath the create icon. So just go ahead and select home. And once you're on the home, you can search across millions of templates. So we have these links to templates. You can get templates for sheets, documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, any kind of template. So let's just go ahead and search for a simple template. So we can say, I guess one of the most common is happy birthday. So you can go ahead and select a happy birthday template. And now we have a lot of happy birthday templates over here. And now all you need to do is go with the template you would like to customize and turn into your own. Now, a cool thing about Canva is, let me open up a different tab. A cool thing about Canva is if you head over to the home section, just underneath this questions asked by Canva, what will you design? You could simply create your own template. Like you could actually create a template out of scratch. All you need to do is just go with what kind of template it would be. So let's say it's an Instagram post. Let's go ahead and open this up. But while it's opening in the background, with the template you've selected to copy, because we're going to be copying, editing, and turning this template into ours, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on customize this template. So now, while Canva is loading up the sites, you could go ahead and create an account outside of Canva. The account you're going to be creating is where you're going to be selling your templates, websites or platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Ko-fi. So these are all platforms you can simply sell your content or templates, and you're not actually selling the template. You're not selling a PDF. You're selling a link. Actually, you're selling a link to the Canva template. That's what you're actually selling. Now, what you could do is you could make use of ChatGPT to ask ChatGPT the top sellers or top templates that people actually search up and use. And then you could find a template that is easily customizable. If you don't want to go through the stress of creating your own, you could find an easily customizable template that is free, because Canva has both the premium and the free version. And on the premium version, you're going to have to pay to access and kind of like edit or even save the template. But on the free version, you can do all of this without any questions. So you make your choice. Now, once you've gotten the template you'd like to copy or design, all you need to do is just go ahead and edit this template, be it a free or paid version. Go ahead and edit the template and simply share. All right, so this is the Canva design. This is what it looks like if you're going from scratch. As you can see here, it says untitled design Instagram post. You could simply change the name into the kind of template you want, and then you could take elements. So we have design. You can add templates onto your already existing design, or you could add elements. Elements are kind of like things you can add, movable objects within the design. So you could add things like placeholders, you could add artworks, you could add pictures, you could add charts, anything that is movable across the entire screen is what an element is. You could also add editable text. You could add removable images, unlike this template here. All right, guys. So template, as you can see, this is actually a movable object. So you can simply move this around. I'm going to be showing you how you can edit this template to whatever you want. So go ahead and highlight areas of the template you would like to customize into your own. You could use the color wheel here to simply add colors, like we could have an ash background here, and then this text here that it's in black, simply move this over to either an ash background like this. This is actually nice. And then where we have the text, you could simply edit the text to something else. It says happy birthday Daniel. You could move it over to happy birthday Mark or something of that sort. So now when you have a template like this, customized and edited, all you need to do is just simply change this template change the template name into your personal brand. You could have a personal brand of yours that you sell through Etsy. So the name of the template should match either your Etsy store, your Gumroad store, or your Ko-fi store. So it should match. And another thing is your template should have consistencies, especially with colors, images. Just make your template something that would be selected when someone is searching for a template to use. Like, this is actually really cool. If you look at it, you could move this subject to any point of the image. It's movable, it's usable, and all you need to do is just go ahead and click on share. So once you've clicked on share, you could just go ahead and copy the link. That's the public view link or the main link here. And where it says access level, only you can access. Then you can select it to anyone with the link. Now, once you've copied this link, you can head over to Etsy and simply publish this link on here as a digital product, or you could publish it on Gumroad, or you could publish it on places like Ko-fi. Now, another thing you need to note is when you're publishing this link, go ahead and attach information. What kind of information would you be attaching? You're attaching information that is things like frequently asked questions, how they can actually access your link when they're going through the platform. So on Etsy, you could just add a simple body of text that simply explains how they can access your link and things like that. And don't forget to pay for promotions, because that's the only way you can get kind of like an audience. So make sure you have a good audience, or you have a platform where you can post your template link and people buy and use your templates. All right, guys. So that's how you can actually go about, creating a Canva template and selling a Canva template. Don't forget, you could actually create your own template as well using elements, uploads, project. You could even use Magic Write to simply, you could even make use of Canva. So I forgot to include, you could make use of the Canva AI to simply generate a template. So you could ask the Canva AI to generate a template for you, or give you some of the best selling templates across multiple platforms, and you take inspiration from there. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.